Here come the 5 Python data science projects that will boost your portfolio to land you that dream job. We will cover the following projects: delivery duration prediction by DoorDash, market analysis in Dublin by Airbnb, building a chatbot, sentiment analysis by Twitter, and house price prediction in California. The links to these projects are listed in the description box below. Before unveiling them, you know what we want you to do. Number 1 on our list is a take-home assignment from DoorDash. It's titled Delivery Duration Prediction and was asked during the recruitment process for the position of data scientist. The goal of the project is to build a model that predicts the estimated time taken for delivery. You are given the dataset in the form of a CSV file containing a subset of deliveries received at DoorDash in early 2015 in a selection of cities. It's very important for DoorDash to get this right, as it has a big impact on consumer experience. And you know how seriously we take estimated delivery times, right? It's no joke. This project is a great example for beginners in Python because it enables you to understand the problem and break it down into bite-sized pieces. It covers all the crucial skills that a beginner needs to know to enhance their knowledge. 1. Problem understanding. 2. Forming a hypothesis. 3. Exploratory data analysis and identifying patterns. 4. Building models. And 5. Communicating results. Project number 2 is from Airbnb. You'll have to do a market analysis in Dublin. A staycation in an Airbnb. Just the thought of it is relaxing. The premise of this project is that a new city manager for Airbnb in Dublin wants to understand what guests are searching for in Dublin and which inquiries hosts tend to accept. The goal is to boost the number and quality of hosts in Dublin. You may want to look at the breakdown of booking start dates, the days of the week that are booked, the number of nights in a stay, the room type that is most sought after, and how many hosts accepted the reservation. The manager depends on you, finding what gaps exist between guest demand and host supply. The new city manager could plug to increase the number of bookings in Dublin, as well as what other data would be useful to have to deepen the analysis and understanding. You'll develop your data analysis, business understanding, data visualization, and communication skills. In number 3, we have a project where you will be building chatbots. Chatterbots, conversational agents, or chatbots. They are essentially software programs that are used instead of people to solve consumer queries. Chatbots use natural language processing, or NLP, more specifically natural language understanding and natural language generation. In this project, you will be exploring a library called Chatterbot that's designed to deliver automated responses to user inputs. A combination of machine learning algorithms is used to identify the correct response for the given statement. In this project, you will learn how to create or use a new Python environment for the installation. You will also learn model building, which includes model training, testing, and tuning. And of course, you'll get to use NLP. Moving on to the next project, brought to you by Twitter. The old Twitter. The one that actually worked. Project number 4 is entitled Sentiment Analysis with Twitter Data. First things first, we need to understand what sentiment analysis means. Sentiment analysis is commonly known as opinion mining. It's a method to understand the overall sentiment of your customers and potential customers by using text mining and the NLP techniques we talked about earlier. This project from Twitter asks you to perform sentiment analysis from tweets. You will extract the data using the Twitter API, clean the dataset, remove unwanted information from the tweet, and build a model to identify whether the tweet is positive, negative, or neutral. We all know how impactful tweets can be. They can create a positive impact, or, well, it can go horribly wrong. Finally, project number 5, house price prediction in California. House price prediction is a pretty popular project in the field of data science. This project involves a dataset available on Kaggle. You need to build a machine learning model to predict the price of the house based on some features such as the number of bedrooms, the location, square footage, etc. As you can imagine, this project requires some knowledge on predictive modeling. In this project, you will be able to understand the features available on the dataset, split the dataset into training and testing, find the correlation between the independent variables, and identify which variables are required to predict the price of the house. We discussed some really good projects that you can add to your portfolio to demonstrate that you have the hands-on experience everyone is looking for, even from a newbie. You know how it is. If you can think of projects that should have made the list, leave a comment down below and let us know. Also, check out our StrataScratch platform, where you can get access to many more take-home projects. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Subscribe to the StrataScratch YouTube channel for more useful content in the world of data science. See you again!